What's up, guys? It's Dipshit Dipper here, back with another video.
Dumbass Tester here.
Deutsch bag.
You actually remember your name.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, we got two things today. I'm going to go ahead and name off one. We have now moved out in the garage. It might not be for very long because I don't know how my parents are going to think about it because they don't know yet. But I'm going to tell them whenever they get here, and it'll also give me motivation to clean up the mess that is behind me, which you guys don't see. A whole bunch of stuff from when we moved in. But, I mean, you guys have seen the garage. It is messy as hell. We moved a lot of the woodworking stuff, and we moved it out to one of our sheds. So there's a lot more room over in this corner, so we put the thing up.
What are you doing?
Bug.
And we moved it out here. The only thing is that's wrong, two things that are wrong with it, the heat, and there's bugs.
We gonna be sweating like that.
Yeah. So it's not the dip that gets to us, it's the heat. Yes, I'm bald. Dexter, go ahead and tell us what you got.
Oh, sorry.
Leave the bugs alone.
Well, howdy, Longhorn. I'm just kidding. Fuck that shit. No, even though it's my favorite, but. Yeah.
Now this one I've done
Oh,
before.
Dad.
Like you seen in the last video, this is the one we're presenting. And it's
Nice
on the way.
job.
It's like, I don't want Dexter, I want fucking Dipshit Dipper.
Fuck you, no.
They might roll for
Well, that way away from all this. It's like, I want
dun,
to Dipper.
dun, dun. Kayak, wintergreen.
And it says moist tobacco. I've never had a dip that
long
said...
cut, moist snuff.
Long cut, moist snuff.
Sorry.
Snuff or snus?
Snuff. I have a feeling we're gonna have to listen to the song.
What song?
I don't have my phone, but I'll let
I
you
got
listen.
mine.
Okay. It's called That Nasty, Nasty Stuff.
That nasty, nasty stuff. Are we gonna get sued for playing this?
No, because this is a dipping channel. It's probably promoted.
Now,
And we're doing we might be.
my
doing
nails
another
have been
video.
bitten, so I'm using keys.
I want to crack it. It's my can. Even though you take the first pinch, I want to crack it. Shit.
Since you cut your fucking nails.
Oh, Dad.
Sorry, I forgot that was a dipper for a minute and cut my fucking thumbnail.
Yeah. Sounds so sexy. I want y'all to look at the bottom of the can. It's green. It's sexy.
Why pack a full can?
Is it Diffin Snuff,
Yes.
Marvin
Yes.
Jackson?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh fuck!
Just saying, they don't smell as pleasant.
Cut the camera off. No, no, cut that camera off.
Cut it off, cut it off, we're done.
That smells a major
Done.
fucking turn off, bro.
I'm gonna die. I'm already cringing.
You wasted your money on this shit.
It's $1.69. Chill.
Oh, so it's cheap.
I think this is where my YouTube channel and career comes to an end.
We gotta do it. It's our job.
I mean, you guys are the ones that said we have to try every dip out there.
Yep. Do it. I want to chew it. Nasty, nasty snuff.
Can we just turn into a vaping channel?
How do vape? There.
How's it feel?
Turn white.
You get it? Go ahead
Yeah.
and say this, Dexter, you take the first pinch.
Nope.
I'll take the first
nope.
pinch.
Nope. 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 Tradition. Has to be
Tradition.
Michael. Has to be Michael.
Oh, but I gotta grab something. Oh, fuck.
Damn, break the couch, Michael.
Hey. Says the one who sat on that and that seat goes, whoop.
Has to be
That's
Michael.
so fast. Put the vape up. Do I have to pinch?
Yep.
Yep. Have you ever had it? No.
Okay, you can go and turn that off.
Really bad.
It is quiet in here. And I bet the sound quality is a lot better.
There's no one fart. Alright.
Now there's vape everywhere.
5 minutes.
The only problem is there's bugs flying in front of the camera. Does it pinch good? No?
Throw it in, throw it in, throw it in, throw it in, throw it in. That's all you can do.
I'm not
Throw it
even,
in, throw it in, throw it in.
I'm not even doing that much.
Me neither.
That's a little bit you guys are gonna do.
No, I'm not even throwing a bitch pinch, but I'm not gonna throw in a fucking 3-finger either.
Because if I throw up, yeah. It's
So,
gonna be
do
bad.
I need to go get the trash can?
It's gonna be a bad day.
Now, Michael, you said you've done this shit before, right?
Mm-hmm.
Was it good or bad?
He said
did
it was
the mint.
bad.
Oh, you've done the mint.
Oh.
I'm going to get the fucking trash can.
Stay.
I mean, I guess it's a good thing we're in the garage. All we gotta do is go 3 steps to the fucking left and we can throw up.
Oh no. Well, I guess that's why it's $1.69.
Well, Michael, go ahead and give your review. After that, the video's over. Holy shit, I feel so fucking light.
Okay.
I'm ready.
First, when you put it in, no, go ahead and put one in first. Before I came out.
No. Yeah.
Deutsch Bag retires from this video.
Set your ass down. Your Labor Day isn't over
Let me
yet.
hit the... You can't say that, Destry!
What?
What do you say?
Something about your Labor Days ain't over yet.
That's too big, isn't it?
Demonetize.
Don't worry, he's not Mexican.
When you first put it in, it has a funny taste. Tastes a little bit funny. Kind of tingles. Pinch is good.
These two have been dipping a lot longer than I have. I'm gonna be the motherfucker to throw up.
The juice is a little bit good. Pretty juicy, I would say.
How much time are we at? 7 minutes? Alright.
Put one in.
I hate you. Destry's a bad.
It's not that bad. Put one in. Well, it's not bad. Oh, tongue in my mouth.
It's actually not bad, but for me it's
Oh,
turning.
it actually doesn't pinch that bad.
For me it's not that bad, but it's turning out like the grizzly.
That fucking smell, bro. I'm gonna have to hold my breath when I put this shit in my lip. Fuck.
I mean, this is a,
I will admit, Jan has a good presentation.
if you live in a trailer park, work at McDonald's and you're a redneck, I suggest getting this.
Ain't that bad.
I don't like it. I don't like it at fucking all.
I see a tear.
There's no tear. It's just nasty as fuck.
Oh, what's that? I'll show you what he's talking about.
Is it a makeup or a tear?
Oh, my eyes are swollen. I have allergies.
I thought you had pink eye the other day. Okay, so
Well, not a bad can presentation. I like the green. Not bad. The label's a bit shiny.
it
Gotta
actually
take this
wasn't,
shit out.
it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
I mean, I was expecting a lot worse. It's not that bad, but
I give him props. It's better than Red Seal. It's better than Wolf. Better
I mean,
than Stoker's.
it's a cheap dip. You can't expect too much.
In my opinion, the first wintergreen I'd put is Copenhagen wintergreen. Second would be Longhorn wintergreen. Third would be this wintergreen or
So, boys, I got a question. How many skulls is there left for us to try?
I don't know if they make a skull straight.
Google?
I know they make a skull man, I think.
This product can cause mouth cancer. I didn't know.
I fucking hate that they had to start putting that label on the fucking lid.
Did you not fucking read any of the other cans you had? It says in big white letters on the front of
He was
the
being
can.
sarcastic.
I'm just saying, I'm being sarcastic too. We literally sat there one day and read all the different cans. They do say stuff different.
Okay, see that right there?
Mhm.
They fucked up on that. And they moved the label. I would have to literally move this down. Because my OCD is looking at like bend the can.
Okay, it kind of does burn my lip though. Yeah, there's a Skull Straight.
Is there Skull Natural?
Yeah. We still have to. We haven't never done Skull Wintergreen either. 1 minute.
Natural. Hey. It ain't on there.
Natural.
Yeah, there's a Skull Natural.
It's a great can.
Okay, I'm just gonna look up Skull flavors.
Yeah,
Flavors 2018.
because we've already had apple. I've had peach. We've had berry.
Well, we haven't done peach on a video though.
No.
You have, but I don't know if we're uploading it.
No, we're not
Hey,
going to.
nigga. Okay, Skull Long Cut Wintergreen, Skull Long Cut Spearmint, Peach Blend, Apple Blend, Citrus Blend, Cherry, Vanilla
Cherry.
Blend,
I want to try that.
Mint. They have just a normal mint,
And
a
there's a
straight.
vanilla.
They have
There's
a
a vanilla.
frost,
There's a
Damn, I
frog.
want to try that.
apple pouches. We don't do
We
pouches.
don't
Fuck
do
that
pouches,
shit.
Fuck that shit.
Cherry blend we done.
No, we haven't. Cherry.
Oh, do we have to do all the cuts too?
Yeah.
Like fine cut and shit?
No, we don't have to do wintergreen fine cut.
Skull Extra Rich Blend Long Cut.
We just have to do each brand and each kind.
Skull Classic. Skull Extra Mint. Do we have to do all like the extras and stuff like that, or just the originals?
I kind of want to try it.
I kind of want to try to do the frost, everything.
Skull Citrus.
So
I mean,
props to Skull. I think you about never.
Bandits.
everyone
Bandits Wintergreen. We gotta do that too.
Bandits wintergreen.
Then-
We also gotta
Okay,
do.
we're at 12 minutes.
We also gotta do outlaws. Eventually.
Snus Mint. Straight. Fine cut straight.
So-
Edge. Long cut Edge Wintergreen. Skull Snus Cinnamon.
That might be good. I like sweet.
I might start dating. I mean, not dating. Doing Skull.
Same.
Skull.
I might think dating my thing too.
But here's
Skull
the problem.
Extra Crisp Blend.
But here's the problem. Our stores here in Oklahoma, they don't.
I'll fucking get online and order them some bitches.
Skull
Yeah.
Snooze Smooth Mint. Skull Bandit. Okay, I'm done. We're gonna be here for 5 hours if I keep reading this shit.
Yeah, we got a long way. We got a whole lifetime ahead of us.
If we don't die at 30 from mouth cancer.
Just brush your teeth and take care of your mouth, and we're fine.
They should even own a
We're
fucking
at
toothbrush.
13 minutes right basically here. We're at 13 minutes now.
The spit is
You know what?
terrible.
This dip, I don't like the foam. There's some dips that I foam at the mouth, and there's some dips that are straight black spit.
Don't swallow the juice.
Caden, tough it out.
It burns. Swallow some of the juice, motherfucker.
No, fuck that.
Don't you dare.
No, this is where we're ending it.
Well, guys. Oh, fuck. Hold on. We got enough time to do.
Give it a minute, guys.
Hold on.
And we got another video we're recording tomorrow of another new flavor.
Yeah, don't tell them.
It's another Skull flavor.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and tell them now.
Hold on. Give it time to focus.
And then I have enough money.
There
we
we
could
go.
we could do
Power on. No signal.
You're shaking off. Okay, guys. We're at 14 minutes. This is what I'm going to say. And we'll see y'all in the